Okay, good afternoon. I am just leaving Intrepid Powerboats here in Largo, Florida. The exact same model boat that I worked on a few weeks ago. This is a 2023, had not even left the factory floor yet. The fuel truck accidentally put gas in the generator diesel tank. So clearly this is a problem with that boat. Okay, so I am at the Intrepid factory here. Exact same model boat that we worked on a couple weeks ago. As you can see, different color scheme. Same 600 horsepower Mercuries. Brand new boat getting ready for delivery right on the factory showroom floor. And exact same problem as the other boat. Master stateroom, they put gas in the diesel tank. So luckily, knew exactly where to go to find it this time around. But very cool to see this boat at the factory, untouched. So, and not everybody can afford $1 million boat, but this is what $1 million wiring job looks like. There's the battery combiners, battery pairing solenoid, each of the main battery buses labeled, every single wire. These are your electronic control switches. So all of the switches for the lights are handled electronically from the touchscreen control instead of traditional switches. So you have combination breakers and electric switches in these panels. So just very well done, Intrepid. So again, same boat as last time. I'm using my iPhone today. Have the brand new Seakeeper down there. Generator tank says right there. Diesel fuel only, folks. Don't put gas in your generator tank. Alright, so I don't know if you can see all the gas is out of this tank, and I'm just going over this wand. There's actually quite a bit of crud, and I assume that's from manufacturing the tank. So I'm just trying to go in here with this wand and basically just vacuum it out. Want to make sure there's no issues, especially this is a brand new boat. So again, same boat as we did before. I'm just looking at some of the little touches. These Intrepids, the TV, master suite here, and I can't stress enough after seeing boats all day long how beautiful everything is here. Shower box, nice and accessible. Every piece of wire is secured. All the hoses double clamped. I mean, this is just phenomenal quality. So I can't recommend an Intrepid enough. I mean, obviously you pay up for that quality, but man, just all the touches. Even down to the hanging closet, cedar lined. View of the cockpit here. This dash is just incredible. There's even a screen on your shifter. So actually all your mercury gauges over there. Bow thruster, windlass, joystick docking. Super cool layout. And then this is the second stateroom here. It's got its own air conditioning unit, little closet space, window, hatch above. Transom here, and what's cool about these new 600 horsepower, you can see how close they're mounted. The actual engines do not turn. They stay in place, static, and the bottom, the lower units are what turn on the outboard. So that allows them to mount these massive V12s right next to each other without worrying about them hitting each other and clearance issues. But you can see just how beautiful this transom is. And these outboards run between $80,000 and $90,000. Quick look at the hull and you can see the size of this boat. And these V12 Mercury's. God, those are massive engines. Quick little walk around to see how big this girl is. And we are finished up. Tank is cleaned out. They've got the delivery truck on the way to fill it up with fresh diesel. At least I hadn't even noticed. This is the dive door. That's cool, that opens up. So all finished up. All right, good afternoon, guys. I'm over here at Suntex at Loggerhead Marinas in St. Petersburg, working on this beautiful 2020 Scout 300 center console boat. So it's massive. It's got twin 300 horsepower Mercury, the new V8 outboards from Mercury. All the bells and whistles. Gonna do a quick walkthrough. There's a lot of water in the tank on this, so ton of water. So gonna try and figure out where that was coming from, and then we'll do a quick walk around. But as you can see, lots of high dollar boats around me. St. Pete's kind of the yacht capital of this area, so lots of big stuff, lots of fun things. I'm gonna get started on this one. We'll take a quick look at it. Okay, so we've got the tank opened up on the Scout here. I was gonna do a quick walk around, and you can see just how big this thing is. So massive center console. Garmin open array radar on the top there. So I'll flip this around real quick. We'll look at some of the things, the features. Okay, obviously it's got Verado engine, so it's got Mercury's electronic controls. One of the cool things is it has this joystick here. So you can turn the front of the boat, left, right, dock, however you want, and no bow thruster needed. It's all computerized with the two outboard motors and electric steering. Looks like twin Garmin displays. Storage locker here. Seating up front. Looks like a locker for the windlass there. Always nice to see that enclosed in a locker. Keeps the anchor and everything out of the way in case you have to walk up on the bow. And then one of the cool things I really like about these particular center consoles is their cabin space. So a little bed down here, sink, toilet, changing space. There's actually a little TV, and this area is actually air conditioned. So you can see the owner's EPIRB is there, but this is actually great accommodations on this center console. So all the panels are here. All the electric switching, all the switches are electronic on this boat, like some other ones that we've seen. So all in all, very cool. Going to finish getting the tank pumped out, clean it with a wand, get all the water out. They're going to replace his water separator filters and get this boat back out there today. Largest marine forklift in St. Petersburg area is at this marina. So I don't know if you can tell in the shot, but that forklift is absolutely massive, and that's easily a 42 foot boat, and still some room on the back there. Hopefully not this guy's first day on the job. That is amazing. All right, happy Friday. Taking our Grady out for just a little cruise. Getting a little sporty this afternoon, 15-20 knots of wind. But that's what makes it fun, right? So another beautiful day in Florida. Hope everyone stays safe. Enjoy the weekend. I'm going to be out here for an hour or so, just putting around, looking at this beautiful Gulf of Mexico. So, as always, we'll check in next time.